Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change league name in FPL or Fantasy Premier League. So if you have a league that you're running and you want to change the name of the league, you can easily do that. From the home screen of FPL, you need to head over to Leagues and Cups. Now if you scroll down here, you'll see your league. You can click on Options and head over to Administer. Now you'll need to scroll down and you'll see the name of your league. You can easily make any changes to your league. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind. Here it says leagues with names that are deemed with inappropriate or offensive may result in account being deleted. So make sure that your league name is not inappropriate or offensive to any other people. You can check the terms and conditions of FPL to know better. Now you can simply click on Update League. Then there you go, your league name of FPL now has been changed. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, hit subscribe to our channel and I'll be back with more informative content such like this.